How to use Zelle for business. Troubleshooting tips. Now, if you want to use Zelle for businesses, right now the Zelle's independent app has been discontinued, but Zelle is still accessible within their banking applications. So using Zelle for business requires a dedicated business checking account at a participating bank, right? And unlike personal accounts, business usage often has higher limits but is subject to stricter bank-specific rules and occasional technical hurdles. Now you must actually to resolve recipient not found errors. So ensure that your customer is enrolled in Zelle through their bank's app and not just a standalone Zelle app. But business accounts generally cannot send to or receive from users only enrolled in the Zelle app with a debit card. They must be enrolled within a particular banking application of Zelle. Now you must also fix duplicate enrollment issues. So you must use a different email or US mobile number for your business account than your personal one, and if you receive an error during setup, you can check if the contact info is already linked to another profile. Banks like Chase, right, like Chase or Bank of America, right, they set specific daily and monthly caps for business accounts, and often around $15,000 per day. And if a payment is blocked, verify you haven't exceeded these rolling limits. You must also verify the pending status and handle the error codes as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.